Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the screen of gestures which is present in the Realme smartphones. So right now, as an example, I have taken the Realme X2 Pro device, but definitely this kind of screen of gestures can also be present in the other Realme phones as well. So right now in this video, I'll be giving you a quick tutorial how you can actually set the screen of gestures. If you never tried before, I will highly suggest you to try this kind of screen of gestures, which makes your life easier in everyday usage as well. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for exactly what live wallpapers I'm using in all of these three smartphones. So definitely I have uploaded plenty of live wallpapers and wallpaper videos, so try to check the playlist always in the description. So let's get back to this screen of gestures, how you can actually set. So first thing is that you need to go to the settings application and go to the convenience tool here. So in the convenience tool, you can find the gestures and motions. So right now you need to go to the screen of gestures. So once you are in the screen of gestures, you need to enable. So if it is disabled in the beginning, so once you enable, you do get plenty of other features. So usually I'll keep the double tap to turn on the screen, so which is a faster way to check the time and notifications. So next is a draw symbol O to enable the camera as well, and draw V for the flashlight. So for example, when the phone is in off and you do want quickly turn on the flashlight, so without any thinking, just draw the V and the flashlight will be on, as you can see. So which is a very good advantage in this using the screen of gestures. So not only that, you can even control the music control as well using this kind of two different symbols which you have got there. So switching back to the previous song and the next song as well, so when the screen is off, so that's another good advantage. So next you do have two different symbols here, so where you can actually choose from. So at the moment I have selected the drawing M for the launching the maps and drawing up for launching the calendar. So you do get these are already predetermined symbols. You cannot change the draw W to WhatsApp or W or Y to for the YouTube or N for the Netflix. So there is no such customization thing is here. So definitely I would highly prefer that kind of customization thing, so where I would choose the drawing N for the Netflix and drawing Y for the YouTube. So maybe they should have certain list of gestures where which makes the user to control what symbols you want. So at the moment you do get only M and up sliding upside, so there you can select other applications starting an app or call directly. So that's another good advantage here in terms of using the screen of gestures. So definitely if you did not try the screen of gestures, I would highly recommend you to try. And using the screen of gestures, one thing you need to remember is that it only works after unlocking the device. So right now you can see that it's scanning for my face, so only it works once you unlock the device only. So few of the gestures like flashlight doesn't require for the face ID to turn on, so flashlight will be turned on automatically without any problem. So when you press the power button, the flashlight will get turned off. So that's another good advantage here as well. So overall friends, this is a quick review on the screen of gestures in the Realme X2 Pro. So definitely if you are using any other smartphone, I would highly recommend you to try this screen of gestures, and do let me know in the comments below how did you go with this kind of settings, and did you like or not, and what are the other things you want me to cover on the Realme UI. So if you are having the Realme UI and if you are not used to the certain customization in this phone, definitely you can comment below. I'll try to make a video on that one as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.